To strengthen a photo with the AI in the Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo you like to strengthen. Tap the photo assist icon at the bottom of the photo. Now drag the slider below the strengthen icon to the left or right to adjust the angle until the photo looks level. While adjusting, you can use the grid line that appear on the screen as a guide to align the photo. Once the photo is aligned as you need, tap Generate button to let the AI fill in the image, adding the missing pieces and sculpting new scenery. If you are satisfied with the result, tap Save Copy to save the result as a new photo. While the regular straighten photo feature relies more on manual adjustment or basic alignment tools, this AI straighten feature is more advanced, offering automatic and content-aware correction. So, depend on what you need and want, you can choose the method that fits you best. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.